It's Adam from Absolute Electronics, and today we're gonna be Metra Marine Monday. Wait, it's not Monday. It's fucking Thursday. I lost track of time and quite frankly was way behind. And I'm now just getting around to doing this video. Thanks to the guys at Metra for always sending us stuff to unbox and to show off. This week, this time around, we're gonna talk about Metra's new marine amplifier kits. And these are great for marine applications, boats, side-by-sides, and quite frankly, some Ford applications, aluminum cars that have an aluminum body, and their new fuse, CBBF fuse holders. These are Eastman Busman fuses. They're really freaking neat. And I'm gonna show you how they kind of work. This is your bus bar that's gonna go onto your power source. From your power source, you're gonna select a fuse. You're gonna put the fuse on your guy like this, just like that. There's actually a bushing that goes on there that goes on in between these guys. This gets threaded on. It's gonna hold the fuse down, and then your output, whatever you're gonna do coming from here, is gonna go out from here. So battery source here, output here, and then this guy will clamp down your output to your source. Now, what's really fucking cool about this is you don't have to only use this in cars. I can think of about 10 different ways of using these fuses in a nice, neat install where you can use this as a bus bar to one, to another. So you could take this one and then take the next one and go downward facing and have a wire going out and another wire going out. You can do a lot of cool shit with this. This is really fucking neat. So, very cool. Very cool, very cool. Second, like I said, we're gonna talk about amp kits. We're gonna open this one up and we're gonna talk about all the shits inside. I'm gonna open it very eloquently. The whole eloquent Hulk style. Rawr, Hulk smash. All right. Open it nicer than that. All right, so what you're gonna get in the amp kit, you're not gonna get RCA, but you are going to get some wire. This is gonna be 20 feet of red and yellow to go to the battery. Both red and yellow source go together. Red being negative and yellow being positive in the marine application. All right, there's also some remote turn on lead. And wait, this is gonna be for your fuse, for your distribution block. Sorry, red is positive and yellow is negative. So this is gonna be for your circuit breaker. So you would have your circuit breaker, this goes to your battery, and that's why this one is a little bit, oh, look at how cute this is. They have one that's a little bit smaller of a run for the front. Let's see if we do this. Yeah, so when you get to the end, you'll be able to see here one end of this, the negative, the yellow being negative, ignore what I said before, you'll be able to have a clear run to your battery, check this out, without making changes to the actual wire. So if some of you guys are on a boat by yourselves, you see that? See what you can do here? This is gonna be your location for your ground and your power. Super duper duper cool. And it comes with a remote wire. Don't forget that you need an RCA to run with all this and your Heiss LEDs to upsell for more flashy installs. Anyways, it's Ada with Absolute Electronics. Thanks Metra, and we'll see you next time on Metra Monday. But it will be on a Monday, not a Thursday. I promise.
Did you wear that shirt on purpose?
I wore a shirt on purpose. Like our new Absolute Electronics t-shirts. I plugged them, but I think it'd be rude. Later.